Hello guys, I hope you are in good health and I wish you to urge you to stay safe and stay home. If it is necessary to move out, then only you go home. I'm Kartikeya Hundet. I'm in the team of LEXIS and Company as an intern, and I made this video's only purpose to provide issues related to environmental issues and how environment play an important role to a person's life. And so the case which we discuss in this video is the Ratlam and the Municipal Council of Ratlam versus Sri Vardhane Chand in AIR 1980s. So the case was one of the important landmark judgment given by the Supreme Court, in which we revolve around how environment play an important role under the fundamental right of comes under the fundamental right of Article 21, and does the court have an authority to direct the statutory bodies to comply, to provide any reasonable reasonable guidelines for the environment, conservation of environment, and protective environment for any areas in the country. So इस केस का डिस्कस करते हैं, इस केस का मेन इश्यूज एंड व्हाट आर द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दिस बैकग्राउंड बिहाइंड दिस केस. सो बैकग्राउंड ऑफ फैक्ट्स मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या था. इस केस में ये था कि रतलाम सिटी में एक एरिया था जहाँ पे पॉल्यूशन उस एरिया में डंपिंग जोन था और सोसाइटी के बगल में उस डंपिंग जोन से वहाँ के जो नेबर थे, रेसिडेंट थे, उनको बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. हेल्थ इशू भी हो रहे थे और हजार्डियर प्रॉब्लम था, आने जाने में ट्रैवलिंग में इशू हो रहा था उनके लिए. तो उन्होंने एक कंप्लेंट फाइल करी थी म्यूनसिपल काउंसिल में, उनके एरिया लोकल म्यूनसिपल काउंसिल रतलाम. तो the decision, the complaint filed in the Ratlam Municipal Council, but they did not take any action against or answer any reasonable issues to that complaint. So the society decided to file a case in some magistrate, and some magistrate clearly in its judgment held that it is a duty of municipal council to comply and to provide a protective environment to everyone in this area. So they ordered to clean such a dumping zone and provide a proper drainage system. So the municipal council challenged this decision to the High Court, and the High Court take the cognizance, accepted the order of the some magistrate of Ratlam city. Therefore, the municipal council filed a case in the apex court in the Supreme Court of India and challenged such decision and held that that such contained that the what are the main contention raised by the council of municipal council is that the municipal council does not have enough fund to provide a better management of disposal of such environment issues, as the state does not provide him reasonable funds. Second was that the parties who residing in that local area have know that this area is having choose for dumping all the waste product in that area, and the dumping area is beyond when the society was constructed. So the resident of that neighbor knows all about the health risk by owning such areas or owning such a house in that locality. So the contention, these are the main two contention raised by the municipal council. So what are the contention raised by the argument advanced by the societies and their council is that the state has a duty to provide a safe and protective environment for everyone, because it comes under the fundamental right under Article 21 to right to life. As right to life is also including a good and a healthy environment. If there is not a healthy environment, how can a person's right to life, or how can he live in a peaceful manner, healthy way? So these are the some of the contention raised by the authorities, and says it is the duty of the council to provide a proper drainage system in the society, and they does not comply to that duty, and they therefore they breach their duty, and the contention of fund does not comes in, as the state of government has to provide such funds. So these are the contention raised by the parties. So we look forward what are critically analyze how the judgment put forward and how the court observes such decision, and let's discuss the judgment. So the Supreme Court observed all the contention and analyzed all the contention, and held that the municipal ordered that the municipal council to take necessary step to fulfill their obligation, as it is an obligation of municipal council to provide adequate number of public latrines benefits, specific protected areas specific for men and women separately, public toilet, proper sweeping areas, proper cleaning of the roads, and any dumping areas should be constructed in a modern way. So, in providing of water supplies and all other resources should be done by the municipal corporation, as it is their duty to provide a healthy environment, as it comes under the Article 21 of the Article 21 of the Constitution. The court also ordered that the municipal corporations to be follow such order within the 6 months of the passing of such order. So within the 6 months, they have to comply all such requests and such reasonable tasks to comply a proper healthy environment. So the court says that the environment is one of the important aspect under Article 21, and it has to be fulfilled to provide a healthy environment to a healthy life. So it directly relates the environments to the right to life. So the critical analysis of this judgment, we can note that the Supreme Court gives a landmark judgment in environment protection, and the judgment review the human rights on one hand and the environment protection on the another hand, as a two face of the same coin, because both has to be followed in similar way. The decisions provided by the judiciary is proctorate of fundamental right, as in this case, it protects the right of each individual in relations to the environment under Article 21 of the Constitution. Therefore, according to this case, in my opinion, the verdict given by the court in this case is reasonable and justified, because it follows all the principle of natural justice, and it has to be give respect protection of environment also, as come under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Thank you. I hope you like this video and know more about how environment play an important role in our lives. So thank you everyone. Hopefully you are stay safe and in good health.